Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand VLOOKUP function in Excel. VLOOKUP is a powerful Excel function used for vertical lookup. It searches for a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns a value in the same row from a specified column. The syntax of VLOOKUP is into bracket, lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. Now let's see how we can use this in Excel workbook. So we will take one case study. In the column A, we are having the name of the students. In column B, their marks are there. So what our objective is that whenever I write the name of the student, it should return to me, it's marked automatically. Let's try for Harry. Enter. You can see it's giving me its marks. I'll zoom it a little bit. Now, how can I activate this? So you have to write down VLOOKUP into bracket D1, specify D1. So this is your D1. Let me zoom it. So I have written the function here, VLOOKUP D1. So this is your D1. A1 to B9, that is A1 to B9, and return the output of column 2, that's the reason 2, and false. Now, what do I mean by false? Let's try to understand. Just a minute. Yeah, in VLOOKUP, 1 is true, means if the match is approximate, you can use 1, and 0, 0 is for false, for the exact match. So either you can write 0 here or false. So we are searching for an exact match. Let's say that the name is, so it will not give me the output. So here I require an exact match. But there may be a cases where the approximate match will also work. So let's take the another example. I'll go in T3, let me check. So here is another case. Sales are between 0 to 2000. Sales amount 0. Category fair. Commission paid 0. If the sales is in the range of 2000 to 3000, sales amount to consider 2000. Click category OK, commission paid. Now here, on the basis of sales done, what should be the commission we want to calculate? Again, we have used the same thing, VLOOKUP, that is A12. Let me copy this also in here so that you can see it nicely. So the syntax is VLOOKUP A12. This is your A12. B4, from B4 to D8, the search is to be carried out. And the value is to be given of the third column, and 1, that is true. So even if the match is approximate, it will work. So first, let me change this to 0, which is an exact match, and see the output. It gives me the error. Let me write down here 1500. It will give me an error. Now, as soon as I activate this as 1, which is true, so the approximate match is also valid. So 0 to 2000, 1500 is between 0 to 2000. So the sales amount is 0 and the commission is 0. Okay, now let us write down 3500. Perfect. So it gives me the output. So this was all about VLOOKUP function in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Excel. Please refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please share and like my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.